Hello friends, in this video I will show you step by step how to draw cartoon faces with different expressions like happy, sad, angry, surprised and more. By the end of this tutorial, you will easily be able to create fun and expressive cartoon characters. Please watch my previous videos to learn how to make funny faces. You can learn how to change eyes, eyebrows and mouth expressions. Here I am going to teach simple tips to make a drawing look more lively. Practice ideas to improve your cartoon faces. This video is perfect for beginners and anyone who loves drawing cartoons. So, grab your pencil and let's start drawing together. Every cartoon faces starts with simple circle or oval. Once you learn the basic shapes, you can easily change expressions. Eyes are the key. It shows most of the emotion. Big, wide eyes can show surprise. Curved eyes show happiness. Small, squinted eyes can show anger. Even small changes in eyebrows make a big difference. Raised eyebrows can show shock. Slanted one can show sadness or anger. Smile, frown or open mouth can completely change the mood of your cartoon character. Cartoon faces do not need too many detailed simplicity to make them to look cuter and more expressive. The more you practice, easier it becomes. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Cartooning is about having fun and showing creativity, not making exact copies. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed learning to draw cartoon faces. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my fun tutorials. Please comment which cartoon faces you enjoyed drawing the most. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.